Hello everyone, my name is Hunter, and today we are going to be unboxing and testing the 13th gen Amazon Fire Tablet HD10. I got this for Christmas because I asked for it, surprisingly. Honestly, I just want a newer tablet because my 2nd gen iPad, it ain't holding up too well for tablet use. So yeah, we're going to be unboxing this, setting it up, modding it to use Google Play, and then yeah, just testing it with some games. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this. So actually, before we do that, let's go look at the specs. All right, we got a 10.1 inch 1080p Full HD display, octa-core processor, 3 gigs of RAM, same as my phone, which is nice. Long-lasting battery life. If you're gonna say long-lasting battery life, it better last longer than my phone. So let's go ahead and unbox it. We got some tape. Where is my pocket knife? Be very careful. This is a collectible. Not really. Let's go ahead and unleash the treasures. All right. There's the tablet itself. What else is in the box? Nothing. Amazing. Let's go look at the goodies first. We have a how do you open this? Power brick. Okay, that broke. I don't know how to unbox Amazon. I don't know how to unbox Amazon products. The 9-watt power block. I guess that's nice, I guess. Alright, there's something in here. I think this is a quick start guide. Hello, Fire HD10. Fire HD10, okay. I have speaker, front camera. Activating. Yes, we get it. I don't need that. Anything else in here? You didn't give me a charger? Oh, here's a charger. Alright, USB-C, which is very nice. I think they had that in the 11th gen. I have an 11th gen Fire HD10, but it doesn't work. Yeah, USB-C. Very nice. Alright, now the big boy itself. Oh man, this feels... it's got some weight to it. I'm trying to peel here, it won't let me. Beautiful. Alright. Oh yeah, look at that screen. Smaller than I expected. Wait, where's the Oh, I don't think this is going to fit in the case that I have for it. So, the case that came with the 11th gen Fire HD10 that my grandmother gave me that, like I said, doesn't work. This is the case that came with it. It's one of those fold-out cases. So, I'm just going to quickly see if this fits. It's smaller. Just turn this thing on. I'm just going to take a quick inspection. Got some text on the back. Amazon logo. Very beautiful. Front-facing camera. Volume, power buttons. Where's the expansion? You've got to be kidding. Are you serious? The speakers are on top? Okay, let's see if this thing's got any juice in it. Oh my god, it's got juice. Oh yeah, look at that beautiful startup animation. Welcome, I am English. Okay. It's a bit bendy, which I don't like that. You can see like on display when I'm bending it slightly. I don't like that. Okay, so registering your fire. Alright. Gotta hide some more stuff. This took way too long. I finally got the another thing that I have to censor. And where's my wall? How do you use this as a stand? Oh. That's very lovely. I know this case doesn't fit it, but I'm gonna use it anyway. I'm actually gonna tilt it. Okay. This is the right way up, so I might as well not. There is a 439 megabyte Fire software update available. I'm gonna update later. I just want to get it. I'm not a child. I mean, I am, but I don't need that. All right, pin. Let's pause recording for a second. Kindle Unlimited. No thanks. So is this the home screen? We got the home screen? Nope. We got some more stuff to do. Here's some free movies. All right, not now. Not now. That's. Oh yeah, I'll definitely take that. Yeah, why not? And let's see for here, popular apps. Yep. I said that. Alexa, what's the weather outside? Right now in Altoona. It doesn't do it. Doesn't do the creepy whisper thing. Okay, Alexa, be quiet. That might be harmful. Whenever I see that, I immediately click the download button. Subway Surf, is it? Oh, installed. Game mode. I'm listening. You had me at game mode. When a game is open, device memory and performance are optimized. Notifications are hidden. Alexa, you lying boys. On Subway Surfers. Alright, so our battery's at 66. See what it's at by the time it's done with this round. Bro, this music is butt booty. Where's connected to the Wi-Fi? Oh. There we go. There's our music. There's some real music right there. Man, I really like this. I've only owned it. I've only been using it for about less than an hour. And the setup was a pain because I forgot my Amazon password, but I like it a lot. Okay, we're done. How's battery? Okay. Almost nothing. I am 99 years old. Can I play like this? Oh, I can. Okay. Oh. Boo! Give me my coins. One more coins. Oh, why am I so stupid? Why did I do this? Oh! Oh! How did I not die? Oh! Why do I just spam click it? Let's run a Roblox first. Okay, I need to see. That's Disney Plus. At Roblox. I need to see how well this thing runs. I'm already expecting Roblox to suck up a lot of power. Excuse me? And we have power. Natural results. I am not doing voice chat. I do not want to hear the diabolical, horrendous things that little 5-year-olds say on this game. I do not want to hear it. Oh my god. Woo, it works. Oh, it works. Nothing's loading in. Alright, what's our graphics settings at? Hold on. Alright, let's crank it down to the lowest, okay? We don't want to blow up the GPU in this thing. It's not loading a lot, but I'm pretty sure that's... I don't know if it's because of the Wi-Fi or... I don't know. Meteor shower. Why is it not all loading in? I'm concerned. Oh, hi. Oh. Meteor shower. Oh, my. Oh, I've been hit. Come on. Oh, now they're loading in. Oh, yeah, now the stuff's loading in. Oh, my goodness. These downloads. Downloads. All right. Let's open it. Why is that logo so tiny? Who is that? There we go. Okay. Where is... Excuse me? Excuse me? You wanna elaborate on how that works? Hopefully it doesn't crash. Okay. Now, what's I hear about the new "You Died" screen? Now that is something that I need to test out. So go get this tree here. Now just build up to it. All right, let's see this new death screen. Oh, that looks terrible. All right, so I did some stuff off camera with this tablet. I've been using it for about a day now. It's the next day of me filming this. Spent some time with this tablet. It's been great. It's been really great. I got the Google Play Store on here, fully functional. I did try installing Google Drive on this, but it would not open. So I just got this file transferring app so I can send the video files from my phone to the Kindle so I can edit them using CapCut. So YouTube also. I also got YouTube working. For game performance, I played a little bit more Roblox. I also bought an actual version of Minecraft. They actually ran pretty nice. Just a few lag spikes and a bit of battery drainage, but yeah, it's good. It's actually really good for an entry-level Amazon tablet. The speakers on this thing, they're amazing. I have never heard better speakers on a tablet ever. These are 2 stereo speakers. When I played my YouTube video file in CapCut, I could hear which side I was on which side of the camera I was on. So right now I'm on the left side. Now I'm on the right side. I'm gonna be able to hear which side I'm on in the video, in the editing, because of the speakers. Alexa. It triggers it.
Sorry, I don't see
Alexa,
trigger.
Be quiet. No one cares about you. Thank you very much. Although the build quality isn't the best because it's like made out of plastic, but that's understandable. That's how they make these things so cheap. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.